Welcome. This video provides a visual blueprint for installing closed-circuit television, or CCTV systems. Security is simple, and you can build this system yourself. We'll walk through the process in 3 phases: plan, build, and activate. First, understand the CCTV ecosystem. The camera captures the video, which is stored and processed by the recorder, or, quote, brain, and then viewed on a display. Memory stores the video. Connections can be analog or IP-based. Next, choose the right hardware for your environment. Bullet cameras are best for long-range outdoor coverage. Dome cameras are better for indoor areas. PTZ cameras offer pan, tilt, and zoom for active monitoring. IP cameras offer smart features and high quality, while analog cameras are simpler and more budget-friendly. Map your strategy to cover risks. Identify critical areas like entrances and parking. A critical rule is to install cameras 8 to 12 feet above the ground. Also, avoid direct sunlight to prevent glare. Gather your toolkit. You'll need the hardware, including cameras, the recorder, and power supply. For connectivity, you'll need cables and connectors. You'll also need tools, such as a drill machine. Preparation saves frustration. Phase 2. Secure the brain of the system. Place the recorder, either a DVR or NVR, in a safe indoor location near a power socket and the display monitor. The recorder commands the entire system. Now, mount the hardware. First, mark the position for the bracket and holes. Then, drill the holes. Finally, attach the camera and adjust its angle. If installing outdoors, use waterproof boxes to protect all connections. Next is running the cables, the nervous system. For analog, use coaxial cable and BNC connectors for video and DC pin for power. For IP, use a LAN cable to connect to the NVR or a PoE switch. Always keep cables inside PVC casing to prevent damage. Close the circuit. Plug the camera video cables into the input ports of the recorder. Connect the power supply. Connect a monitor via HDMI or VGA for the output. If wired correctly, the live video feed should now appear. Phase 3. Configure the system logic. Set the correct date and time for accurate evidence. Use motion detection to save storage space rather than continuous recording. For IP systems, assign a unique IP address to each camera. Bring security into your pocket. Connect your recorder to the internet router. Install the manufacturer's app and scan the device's QR code. This allows you to view live video from anywhere via the cloud. Trust, but verify. Check the night vision clarity and review the playback recording. Perform a walk test to trigger the motion detection and confirm it works. Finally, verify that all blind spots are covered by your camera placement. Maintain the shield for lasting security. Clean the lenses periodically, monthly. Check and inspect all wires. Use an uninterruptible power supply for battery backup. And finally, install firmware updates for ongoing security. Congratulations, you have created safety. You planned, mounted the hardware, wired the connections, and configured the view. Whether for home, school, or office, you have improved discipline and security. You are now a capable installer.